In today's video, we're gonna go over 5 essential lawn tips to preparing your lawn for fall and getting it ready for next spring. One of the first things that I do is make sure that the blades are sharp. It's easy to forget that you need to sharpen it in the fall, and you just assume that I sharpen them in the spring and that's sharp enough. Well, the truth is that you need to sharpen them more than once a season. Aside from sharpening the blade, you also want to adjust your cut height. In the fall,
you want to be 3 inches or less, maybe anywhere between like 2.5 and 3 inches.
Another tip, so if you have a lot of leaves like this all around, make sure you have, if you have a bagger on your push mower or a bagger on your riding mower, you can use that to suck them up. If your mower does mulching, you can mulch them. I like to clean. I don't have a bagger and I don't have a push mower. I just rake them up. I like to rake these up before I cut them because my mower doesn't do a very good job of mulching them up. So I'll just come out here and do some raking. The next tip, weeds and pest control. In the fall, as the soil temperatures drop between 55 and 70 degrees, weeds will start to germinate. This is the same window as in the spring, so it's a good time to put down your pre-emergent. For pest control, I've grown to really like this Cutter Backyard. Covers up to 5,000 square feet. It says it lasts up to 12 weeks. I usually put it down in May, right before Memorial Day, and then I'm usually good for the summer, and then come mid-September to mid-October, I'll put this down again, and this will take care of moths, grubs, ants, whatever you've got in your lawn. Just make sure you look at the label and make sure that you're going after what you need to. The next tip is aerate or dethatch and overseed. Though if you want to dethatch, you can get yourself a thatch rake. I did a couple videos on this. This is a groundskeeper too. It's real nice. Good for small areas, not good to do a large area for that. I would use a toe behind aerator, or I also have an electric Sunjo dethatcher that I've used. I'll link that video up here. I did some dethatching in the spring and that worked really well. Fall's a good time to do it if you're gonna overseed. Spring's a good time to do it to wake everything up. If you don't want to go with mechanical aeration, you can always go with something called aerate. This is just one of many products that there are. Liquid aeration. This one's from Green County Fertilizer. If you've watched lawn care videos on YouTube like I have over the years, these products have been pushed quite a bit, but they are good. As you overseed or dethatch, you should also seed. I'll put a link to a video I did in late spring where I did seeding. It's the same concept. You really want to do it if you do mechanical aeration, because that way the theory is the seeds will fall into the hole, and then you have seed to soil contact and they germinate. And the final tip that I can't stress enough is fertilizing. Get yourself a good fertilizer that's high in the last number. So on every bag, there's NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. You want to get a number that's high in the K so that it will help the lawn go through winter and come out stronger in the spring. If you want to dominate your neighbors for Halloween, just put down something that's got a high iron content. You can use Double Dark from Yard Mastery. That's got, I think, 6% iron, or you can get at something out of your big box store that has any amount of iron, and that'll help turn your lawn green. And you want to put that down about 7 to 10 days before Halloween and water it in accordingly. By following these 5 tips, just a little bit of effort in the fall can make all the difference in the long run. So take your time, give your lawn what it needs, and you'll be rewarded with beautiful, lush lawn come springtime. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out my other lawn care videos and leave a comment below with your own tips or questions. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. It's time to go cut.